time to talk about AI prompting. Have you ever wondered why sometimes the results you get from AI tools like ChatGPT are amazing, and other times you get all the wrong answers? Here's the secret. With AI, it's not just what you ask, but how you ask that counts. The results you get from large language models like ChatGPT are only as good as the prompts you lead with. Today, I'm going to share some AI prompt hacks that almost no one is talking about. Hacks that can instantly level up your AI game and get you results that are more accurate, more creative, and more useful. And stick with me, because later in the video, I'll explain exactly what makes a prompt great, how you can master the art of prompting. Hack number 1 is the contextual frame approach. This is where you set the scene for the AI before asking the question. Instead of saying, give me a list of AI tools, you could frame it like this. Imagine you're a tech journalist crafting a feature on groundbreaking AI tools. What would your top 5 picks be? See how framing the context changes the quality of the results? It's like going from a basic answer to expert advice in just one step. Why does this work? Contextual framing works because it helps the AI understand the situation or the role that it needs to play, making its answers more relevant and useful. When you give an AI context, it's like asking it to imagine being an expert in a certain field. It then tailors its response to fit that role, giving you better results. Here's one I'm sure you haven't heard of. I call it prompt editing. Basically, you go back and edit the prompt after ChatGPT has already given you a result. You do this by clicking on the little pencil next to your original prompt. Once the AI has processed your updated prompt, you'll see a number on the bottom right of your prompt. This feature lets you switch between the 2 prompts and results. I find this to be a major AI prompting cheat code because it helps you get better at prompting, since you can see each of your prompts and the subsequent results that ChatGPT gave you for each of those prompts. Here's another powerful AI prompt hack that can totally transform your results. Ask the AI to approach the task as if it were a world leader or visionary thinker.
Depending on how well you want to do, and particularly if you're starting a company, you need to work super hard.
For instance, you could prompt, how would Steve Jobs approach this task? Think like Steve Jobs and provide a solution that's innovative and customer-focused. This technique leverages the unique thinking styles of these influential figures, allowing you to generate responses that are not only innovative, but also aligned with the bold, forward-thinking approaches of some of the best thinkers of our time. By invoking the mindset of a world leader, you tap into the strategic and creative approaches that made them so successful, which can lead to breakthrough ideas in your own projects. Asking for multiple and unconventional solutions is another game changer when it comes to getting the best results from AI tools. This approach is especially useful when you're tackling complex problems or brainstorming new ideas. Additionally, by specifically asking for unconventional solutions, you can tap into the AI's ability to think outside of the box and provide creative or less obvious solutions. Why does this work? It tells the LLM or the AI tool like ChatGPT to take a broader perspective. When you ask the AI for multiple solutions, it's forced to explore different angles and possibilities, rather than focusing on a single, potentially limiting response. It basically encourages the AI to break away from standard or predictable responses. Let me give you an example. I included this prompt below. Provide multiple solutions to improve user engagement on a new app, and include at least 2 unconventional approaches that aren't commonly used in the industry. As you can see in the result, the AI generates a variety of strategies that include both conventional methods and more creative, unconventional ideas. This gives you a broader toolkit to work with, allowing you to choose the best approach or even combine elements from several different solutions to create a unique strategy. That brings us to hack number 5. One of the best and possibly one of the most underutilized AI hacks is asking the LLM to act as a mentor. When you do this, the AI doesn't just give you answers. It explains things in detail like a real mentor would. This can help you understand complex ideas better and offer guidance on how to apply them. Plus, the AI can give you feedback and suggest next steps, making the output more useful and actionable. That's a wrap. I've spent hundreds of hours at this point experimenting with prompting and LLMs. These are some of the strategies that I use daily when I'm working with different AI models. Let me know what your favorite AI prompting hacks are in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so that I can keep these AI tutorials coming.